Hello, hello! Today we're going to talk about fishing gear. The first thing we're going to talk about today is this Zepco 202 spinning reel combo, and I just love it. I just got it and I can't wait to take it to our next fishing trip. It comes with this two-piece set and it has this reel, size 30, and it comes with this 27-piece tackle kit, which is really nice. It comes with 2 bobbers, 6 hooks, 6 slingshot, 6 grubs, a spinning reel, and some jig heads, as well as some swim bait. This is very handy. You can just take it when you go out fishing and you don't need anything else. This is perfect for beginners as well as advanced fishermen. So if you have an angler in your life or a gift that you want to give, this is really quick and easy to give and to go out fishing. Let's look at our next item, which is this Shimano Reel. So this is perfect for fresh water and it is a spinning reel. It's very smooth and does the job well. It also, you could adjust the drag. The next item I'd like to talk about is spider wire. And this is low visibility, which is really good because fish are smarter than you think. And if they see a line in the water, they're gonna know that something's fishy going on, so they're gonna just swim on by. But with this, it's low visibility green, and this should be, yes, 4-pound test line. And I'm excited, we're gonna put these on our new reels. Another fishing wire that I'd like to talk about is this Berkeley Solutions. And this is also 4-pound test. And you get 250 yards. It's always good to have extra fishing line in your backpack because let me tell you, I go through so much fishing line sometimes and my pole will get caught in the weeds and then I have to cut the fishing line, and by the time I'm done fishing, one time I only had 15 feet of fishing line left on my fishing pole. So it's always good to have extra and stock up because you just never know. Or if one of your buddies, the same thing happens to them, they would love you for this and you can just hand it over to them. So definitely recommend this product. The next thing that I recommend is this Berkeley Powerbait. This is green chartreuse, and these are trout worms. And you hook this up onto a single hook, and this is gonna float a little bit. So if you have it on your leader line, it's going to come up from the water and it's just gonna float, and the fish like to snap it up. So here it is. The next item on our list, and I just love these mice tails. This is the bubble gum and white, and the fish like the scent, and supposedly they hold 18 times longer on these. So definitely recommend it. We took these to Pleasant Valley Reservoir by Bishop, California, and I just had so much fun with these, and I caught a whole bunch of fish. So they really like it. And this is the bubblegum pink with the white. Another one that they also like is this other mice tail, which is the red with the chartreuse. And again, as I mentioned, it has 18 times more fish biting power. So let's see how it does this trip. I've had good luck on it before. And so these are great for stocking stuffers. And if you have an angler or fisher person in your life, they would just love these. Just grab, a whole bunch of these and put it in a bag and they're just gonna love it. Because fishing gear does add up. So anytime you can give a gift of fishing gear to a fisher person in your life, an angler, they're just gonna love it. When you go fishing, it gets really cold. So something that I like to bring with me are these hand warmers. And what you do is you open it up and then it gets activated. You shake it up and you just put it in your pocket. You can put it in your gloves. You can put it in your boots. It really warms you up and it just feels like a little warm hug all day long. It lasts for hours upon hours. I think over 7 hours. And if you need it to get reheated, you just take it out of your pocket, activate it again, shake it up, and then you're good to go. And you get a bunch of these. And I definitely recommend it. Great to keep in your car as well. But definitely one of my things I have to take fishing with me because it's just so cold early in the morning. And that's when you get the best fish. So definitely recommend this product. Now, something else that I like to do is go fishing with lures. I don't know if you've tried this, but it is so exciting when all of a sudden you're throwing out your line and a fish just hooks onto it and you just feel the drag and the excitement and then you're just reeling it in. So one of the go-tos that I like is this Panther Martins, and I have so many actually, and I've lost so many as well. And I'm sure if you're a fisherman, you know that. So these are really great spinning bait. They're small, but they really sparkle in the water and the fish are attracted to it. So I definitely recommend this product. Now, another thing that I just love is the Thomas Buoyant. Now, these have given me so much luck. I had 6 of them. I had the Thomas Buoyants and the Thomas Cyclones, but I've lost them all in the weeds, in the trees, on the rocks. So this is my last one, so I need to definitely pick up some more. And as you can see, it has a notch over here and over here, which while it spins, this spoon gives it a wobbly, sick fish kind of look. And so the fish think it's an easy kill, and so they strike on this. Definitely recommend it and really fun to do lures. Another thing that I like is this little tackle box. Now, you don't need a lot of things in your tackle box. Sometimes you just want to put a few things in here, so you could put it in your waders and take it out into the water. Now, this is the Plano 6-pocket tackle box, and as you can see, and they work really good, and they're compact pocket size. Another recommended product that I like is this tie right hook holder, and can you see that? So this is perfect for when you want to tie up your fishing line or just to grab some treble hooks carefully. So what you would do is you would get your fishing line and hook this on, and then I just let it dangle and I do my knot this way, and then you unhook it. It's very easy to grab the hooks like this and without getting your fingers punctured. So I definitely recommend this product. And speaking of treble hooks, that's the next thing on our list. This we bought a couple years back, and you get 100 of them. Yes, 100. We don't have that many left anymore, but these are what they look like. And you get 100 gold ones, and we were very happy with it. One of my favorite items is this eagle claw fish holder. So I love this chain because it's going to fill up all my fish. And it's pretty long, as you can see. And then after the chain, it has the rope as well as a stake, so you could stake it down. And so your fish don't start swimming away. That has happened to us, oh my goodness, but we were able to catch them. But yeah, those sneaky fish. So this is really great, and you just open it up, put it through their gill, and then you lock it up. Definitely recommend this product. that was loud. So the next product that I recommend are these Cast King fishing lure holders. And I just love them because sometimes you just want to go from one lake to the other, or you just want to take a fishing break. And what you can do is you just put this over it and it's not going to mess up your lure. So you're not going to get poked. It keeps it safe. And because it's see-through, you're going to know what's rigged up. Is it a lure? Is it a treble hook? You'll be able to see. So I definitely recommend this product, and definitely it's a great deal. Everybody loves to use Powerbait, and so do I. So here is some Berkeley Powerbait. This is in green, and look at all that glitter. See that? So the glitter is really great because the fish, they see it under the water. And especially when it's bright like this and smells fishy, I bet the fish are gonna love this. And this one's in green. And let me show you the next one. This is in pink and orange. See all that glitter? I'm just so excited, and I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for joining my live stream, and happy fishing. Tight lines!